Hey guys, welcome back to Reolink Studio. In today's video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step process of installing and setting up the Reolink Argus 3 Ultra security camera. Let's talk about the features of the Argus 3 Ultra. This is a 4K 8 megapixel Ultra HD camera. This indicates that the camera has a higher resolution of 8 megapixel 4K, providing clear and detailed video footage. Now, this camera also comes with dual band Wi-Fi. The dual band Wi-Fi capability allows the camera to connect to both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz wireless networks. So this flexibility can help improve connectivity and reduce interference, providing a more stable and faster connection. Now, this camera is also solar powered, meaning the camera is powered by an inbuilt battery and is rechargeable via a Type-C solar panel. So battery-powered cameras offer flexibility in terms of placement, while solar power can provide a sustainable and continuous power source, reducing the need for frequent battery charges. Now let's talk about recording and storage. Battery-powered cameras record on trigger, meaning the camera will record when it detects a subject in frame, and the recordings from the camera can be stored on the local SD card inserted into the camera for local storage. So what do we do next? Let's mount it together. So before you mount the camera, don't forget to set it up with your Reolink app and get it ready to go. Now let's connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. Now open your Reolink app and follow the on-screen instructions to establish a connection. In this box, you will find a C7, C8 screw sticker. You can stick this wherever you want to fix the camera, just like we did here. Next, you need a drill. Then you can punch in for installation. Voila! Next, you have a pack of screws and a reset needle. And in here, you have two little tubes. You put them in. Next, you have your security bracket right here. You unscrew it and mount it on the location where you want to install the camera. Then, you take the screwdriver and screw it in. So after you mount the security bracket, take the other half and screw it on. Get your new camera and screw it on. And that wraps up our installation guide for the Reolink Argus 3 Ultra. We hope this video was informative and helped you set up your camera with ease. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment down below, and don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, or subscribe to the channel. We'll have more tutorials in the future, and if there's anything you would love us to talk about, please write it down in the comment section down below, and we'll see you on our next video. See you.